If your FL Studio project will not open or keeps crashing, here is how you can fix it. FL Studio has a built-in diagnostic tool that can help recover corrupted projects. To access it, open FL Studio, go to the top menu and click Help. Under the Support section, select Diagnostic to open the tool. Here you will see several options. If your project crashes while loading, it is likely due to a faulty plugin. Click on Fix FL Studio Song Project, then browse for the FLP file that will not open. You will have two options. You can remove the plugin that crashed when the file was saved, or remove a plugin that crashes when the file is opened. If you are unsure, you can try both. After selecting the plugin, click Start and FL Studio will attempt to fix the issue. If that does not work, you can try restoring an automatic backup. FL Studio saves backups regularly, so open File Explorer and navigate to Documents, then Image Line, then FL Studio, then Projects, and finally Backup. You will find multiple saved versions of your project. Try opening one of them to see if it works. And that is it. Hopefully, one of these methods helps you recover your project.